Hey, it's Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut, here on the island of Maui, enjoying my favorite time of the day, which is sunset. And just wanted to share a little bit of my journey here on the islands. I came here a couple of weeks ago. I spent a week on Waikiki, which was very relaxing. I was with my family, and so we were able to spend time on a very easy beach there. And then we came to Maui, and I just wanted to do some extra healing. There were some issues that I was having with my gut, and so I decided to do some drastic stuff, as I always do. I think that's where I got the name Certified Health Nut. And so I did some dry fasting. I did about 24 hours. The first time I did dry fasting, I did about 24 hours and had a great experience. Dry fasting is ultimately no food, no water, and usually no teeth brushing or shower or anything like that. This time around, I set out to do a little bit longer, and so I did about 36 hours, and I included swimming in the ocean. And so I loved the experience right away. I was able to you just basically choke off or starve any kind of parasites, fungus, microbes that are inside of you, and I really felt great, and I didn't feel dehydrated. And so the next morning I woke up and I felt a little rough. So I did a little research, and I saw that some people were doing colonics, and so I found someone on the island that was doing colonics. I built a good relationship with her quickly. We did some videos. Those will be up on YouTube soon. And I felt great. It was the first colonic that I had done in about 20 plus years, 22, 23 years. First colonic I ever did was when I did my first 10-day fast. And so I felt great. Inflammation went out of my body. The next day I ate food, and then I decided to do another dry fast, and I did about 18 hours. And then I had another colonic. And so I've done a lot of healing. I've done a lot of barefoot walking. I've spent a lot of time in nature with my children, and spent a lot of time in the ocean. Today's my birthday. I'm 49, and I did about 6 hours barefoot walking on the beach. And so I definitely have taken the time on this vacation to really get into nature, restore my body, restore my energy field as much as possible. I live in the city of Los Angeles. I have my own stressors like everyone out there in cyberspace, and so this is the way I take care of my body. And when I have the opportunity, I do things that are deeper and more drastic. So yeah, I feel good, I feel renewed, and I can't wait for you guys to see my videos with the colon hydrotherapist. And I encourage everyone out there to really follow their own bliss and see what's best for them, and take ample time in nature and cleanse your organs whenever you get around to it. And so hope you're having a great day, and assalamu alaikum. there's a Hawaiian polar bear plunge. It's about 75 degrees outside, but this water's about, that's a good 50, maybe 58 degrees. Cold enough. It's the Iao Valley.